In this video, we can talk about top 5 ChatGPT alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Co channel. If you're on the lookout for the best alternatives to ChatGPT, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the top 5 ChatGPT alternatives, including Microsoft Bing AI, Google Bard AI, Chatsonic, UChat AI, and Claude, that can offer powerful capabilities to enhance your conversational experiences. The first alternative on our list is Microsoft Bing AI. Powered by advanced natural language processing, Bing AI provides a sophisticated chatbot platform with seamless integration into various applications. It offers features like personalized results, interactive experience, and conversation understanding. Its intelligent, comprehensive language understanding makes it a top choice for businesses looking to enhance their customer interactions. But what sets it apart is its standout feature, which is the ability to learn from past interactions, making it more accurate over time. Next up is Google Bard AI. Built on Google's state-of-the-art language models, Bard AI offers a robust chatbot solution with a focus on natural language generation. It offers features like multiple draft responses, citations, multilingual understanding, and fact-checking. With its deep learning algorithms, it can generate human-like responses, making conversations more engaging and realistic. And one of its standout features is to understand natural language and generate responses based on the context of the conversation. Moving on, we have Chatsonic. Chatsonic is a powerful chatbot platform that leverages advanced machine learning techniques. It offers features like multiple language support, browser extensions, live chat, and automated responses. It enables businesses to create intelligent conversational agents with customizable features and integration capabilities. And one of the standout features of Chatsonic is its ability to allow users to chat with their AI assistant using a specific personality. The fourth alternative is UChat AI. With its user-friendly interface and powerful AI capabilities, UChat AI empowers businesses to build interactive chatbots for various purposes. It offers features like customizable chat flows, automated responses, and integrations with CRM. It also offers seamless integration with popular messaging platforms, making it a valuable tool for engaging customer interactions. But one of its standout features is its ability to create conversational chatbots. Last but not least, we have Claude. Claude is an AI-powered chatbot platform that focuses on delivering personalized and context-aware conversations. It offers features like easy integration, task automator, SEO-optimized content, and lead qualification. With its advanced analytics and reporting features, Claude helps businesses gain valuable insights into customer interactions and optimize their chatbot performance. One of the standout features of Claude is to easily integrate with various tools and products. Compared to ChatGPT, Microsoft Bing AI offers a comprehensive chatbot platform with advanced natural language processing capabilities. Google Bard AI uses a neural network to generate text that is coherent and contextually relevant. Chatsonic, on the other hand, provides a flexible chatbot solution with powerful machine learning techniques. UChat AI offers a user-friendly interface for creating interactive chatbots. And we have Claude that focuses on personalized and context-aware conversations. If you're looking for an AI chatbot platform that excels in natural language processing and comprehensive chatbot functionalities, we would recommend Microsoft Bing AI as the best alternative to ChatGPT. Its seamless integration options make it a powerful tool for enhancing customer interactions and delivering exceptional chatbot experiences. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about which AI chatbot platform suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.